It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited SLE. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel is trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with a park brake just below, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth interior, and that center console opens up into an additional seat. Next, I will hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Overhead, some interior light buttons and OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and we have our shortcut buttons down below. The screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right here, we have hitch guidance. The hard buttons for our radio and media options, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control. This button here rolls all four windows down at the same time, some USB ports and power plug-in. To the right of the steering wheel is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck. At the front of the Sierra, we have black tow hooks, signature C-shaped headlamps, 18-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, chrome mirror caps, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors, 4x4 and the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger truck. The passenger door has a chrome door handle, power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear fans, dual USB ports and a power plug-in. All-weather floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited SLE, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com, or click the like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all things GMC.